Steven buys a t-shirt, so I'm here now. Just change that to yellow. Steven buys a t-shirt for 599 Rand. Calculate the amount. Steven buys a t-shirt for 599 Rand. He gets a discount of 15%. Calculate the amount that Steven must pay for the shirt. So this is a straightforward discount problem. And if Steven is buying the t-shirt for $5.99 but he gets a discount of 15%, I can simply say, well, what is 15% of 599 Rand? And I can calculate that by multiplying 599 by 15%. But we know, of course, that 15%, if we're going to use that in the calculation, we want to maybe just write 15% as a fraction. So in other words, 15 over 100. Okay, this allows you to do the calculation a lot simpler, even on a calculator. So I have 599, I'm just doing this on an external calculator, not on the screen, times 15 and then divide by 100. And that gives me 89 Rand and 85 cents. Now this here is the discount. Now they did not ask you to just calculate the discount. They actually want to know how much is he going to pay for the shirt. So if he is going to get a discount of 89 Rand and 85 cents, that means that I can then take 599 Rand and I can subtract the discount from it because I'm not going to pay the discount. It's being discounted from my purchase. So 599 minus 89 Rand 85, and that gives me 509 Rand 15 cents. There is a different way we could calculate this, just an alternative way. So if I'm getting 15% discount, it means that my full price of the t-shirt is $5.99. So 100% of this price is, of course, $5.99. In other words, $5.99 is 100%. So if I get 15% discount, it means 15% of this 100% I'm not going to pay for it. So that is 100%, and this is just an alternative way of thinking about it, minus 15%, because this, of course, is the discount. Okay, so let's just use, that's the discount. So I can say, well, that means I have 85% left, which I'm going to pay for. I'm not paying for the 15%, so I'm only paying 85%. So in other words, I'm not paying $5.99 anymore. I'm paying 85% of $5.99. So I can simply then say, well, my cost of the shirt will then be $5.99 times 85%, which is 85 over 100. And if I do that, I will get the same answer. That will also give me 509 Rand and 15 cents. Same like over here. Of course, when you do this, it might seem like it took a bit longer because I had to explain where the 85% comes from. But if you do it a lot quicker, if you know you're getting 15% discount and you need to take away 15%, it means that what's left over is 85%. So you're simply going to start off your calculation by saying 599 times 85 over 100, and you'll get the answer straight away. 1.3, we have Mrs. Peterson here buying a washing machine for 9,200 Rand. The price does not include VAT of 15%. Calculate the amount that she must pay for the washing machine, including VAT. So VAT calculations are straightforward, well, these ones anyway. If 9,200 Rand is the price excluding VAT, it means in order to add VAT, remember we need to use that number 1,15. If you recall back from my previous videos, I used this and I also highlighted it in the box like this. So here I'm going to add VAT. So I'm going to take 9,200 Rand and I'm going to multiply it, because I'm adding VAT to this, by 1,15, and that will give me, if I take 9,200 multiplied by 1,15, I get an answer of 10,580, and that's the price including VAT. Done.